What's up folks, and welcome back to the garage. Today I will try to fix the dent which is located in the driver's door. Now we got the light so that you can see the dent. This is driver's door. I clean it and polished it a little bit. The dent starts from here and ends here. This edge feels straight, so I think the dent stops there. It starts also from here, and there's the bottom and there's the normal, so the dent is about here. First I will try to use my heat gun. I will heat this area and then I use my air compressor to cool it very quick. I have seen some videos where you can straight small dents with this method, so that will be the first first what we try to do. Now after two warm up and cool down, I think we got the dent much smaller. I don't know if you can see it from that video. I will see it later when I'm editing the video, but I think it's much smaller. Usually metal has a memory, but I think this dent is so old that I think this metal has forgotten its shape. So next I will try to use this magnet. First I will warm it up and then try to pull with this magnet, and if it doesn't help, I will try to use also my glide hammer. As you can see, there's still a dent. It's not so deep as it used to be, but my magnets were too weak, so they didn't help at all. So my next plan is to take the door panels off and then first heat it from outside, and I try to push it from inside. So I hope that will fix that dent. Now I got the panel away. Next I will try to heat it from outside. Well, the door is built like that I can't push it straight, so I have to try push it by my hand. So first I will try to heat it from outside, and I could push the dent so like it moves, but it doesn't stay straight. So I hope this warming will help, but we shall see. Well, there's still a dent. I think this is the problem area here. It's very difficult to push from this point because there is the window mechanism just on the way. You can see also there's a dent still, but this area it's much better. So I think if I can push this area, it will also help this area. So I will try some tricks, and I'll let you know what will happen. And about 1.5 hours later, you can still see the dent. I think this is still the problem area, and you can see also it's actually, you can see it quite well from the camera. It's you can't see it this clear with the eye, but with this camera the angle is just perfect. You can see there's a darker area. So there's a one problem area. This is almost done, this, and here is the second problem area. I have been heating and cooling, heating and cooling, heating and cooling, and some pushing from inside, so it's getting better, but I'm not still satisfied, so I will try another hour. So see you soon. After about 15 heat and cooling, I have managed almost fix this dent. Next I will try something else. I have ice. So first I will heat it, and then I will cool it down with ice. Now the dent is almost gone, but I calculated that I have been here in the garage about 6 hours. I started 8:30 p.m. and now it's 2:40 a.m. So, but I'm getting there because it's almost gone. You can barely see it, so I think 4 or 5 heat and cool down, then the dent will be gone. I am just using my heat gun and air compressor, and it just takes time, but I'll get there. Oh boy, it's 4 a.m. I'm still here. It's almost disappeared, but now I just have to go to sleep, and tomorrow I will continue because I want to rid of this bump for good. So it just needs some love. See you tomorrow. It's almost gone. You can see slight shadows in this area. And when I move my hand, I still can feel small bumps, especially in this area. But I just got the message that the lunch is ready, so I have to go. I think I will put the panels on and leave it like this at the moment. But it's easy to continue here if this bothers me still. But hey, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video, so please give me a thumbs up and comments down below. That would be great. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do it right away, and remember, press the bell. Thanks for watching and see you soon.